Hey guys, it's Maymay, and look at this adorable, merry little Christmas paper pad. Now, you guys know I love these types of paper pads. The reason is you get so much paper at such a good price, and this becomes a staple in your craft room. This is one of the new Christmas paper pads we have. This one also has a fabric page. We're going to flip through. This is an 8 by 8. This one says it is 200 GSM cardstock, and it is acid free, so I'll make sure I tell you that. And this one's going to be mine after this is over with. I can just tell you, look at this gorgeous fabric feel paper. It's kind of like, the way I like to describe it is this feels kind of like wallpaper samples. If you ever felt those, that's kind of what this paper feels like. And this plaid is gorgeous, and you get 3 sheets of that beautiful plaid. Look at this incredible green Merry Christmas. So pretty. It's very vibrant. It's actually a cream and green, which I really like. You can see the difference in the white and the cream here. I like that because I don't always like to use stark white. It is also that same fabric feel of paper. This one is now where we get into regular cardstock, and look how gorgeous this is. Can you see the shimmer on those snowflakes? You know why? Because there's a little glitter on there. You get 3 pages there, and it's a little dimensional because of the glitter. It's got a feel to it. You can kind of touch and feel it. Oh my goodness, look at this. This looks like Christmas vintage wallpaper or background of an old Christmas card, doesn't it? Look at the shimmer. There's glitter on it as well. You get 3 sheets. Flip through. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This reminds me of my grandma's house when I was little. She had a tablecloth that I absolutely loved, and it looked just like this. Do you see the shimmer? It was literally this, but in tablecloth, and I love how this looks. I wish I had that tablecloth to this day. Also, she gave my mom some dishes that had a pattern like this on it. She must have loved this pattern. How about that? It always sparks memories, doesn't it? This is tiny little purple. It's really not purple. It's kind of, if I were English, I would say aubergine. So it's kind of eggplant. Look how pretty that is. And it's got that glitter shimmer on those snowflakes again. Incredible. Now there's no glitter on this one, but there is a texture. I can feel it. It's kind of embossed. And look at this kind of harlequin. The thing I love about these paper packs is they're not necessarily all Christmas. You can see here, this is just a pattern with some colors that can be used for Christmas, but you can use this all year long. This has that holly in it. Again, it has that texture. It's kind of embossed. It's really pretty. It's got the holly that we saw on that other page inside here in the little pattern. There is the pattern's not going to show up, but I can feel it. There's like lined embossing on there. Can you see it on the back? You can kind of see it on the back where it's embossed. Let me flip this one where you can see it too. Yeah, see that where it's kind of embossed there? So you could really use both sides of this page if you just want to use the embossed side. There you go. Look how cool. Now we get into the double-sided pages, which is my other favorite about this paper pack. You get both. This one has kind of an eggplant sky, almost galaxy-looking page, and then Christmas trees. How awesome is it using purple at Christmas? I think this is a neat idea. Are you kidding? I'm totally sold on this page. Wood grain, you always have me at wood grain. I can use this for anything, and I can see myself using it for lots of stuff at Christmas. What's the back? Oh, it's pretty. It's that same kind of harlequin design we saw earlier, but in just 2-tone. That's really cool. There's that holly pattern again behind those polka dots. Now, these pages don't have the embossing on them. They're still gorgeous. I love this. It looks like candy canes. Look at the holly. This is so cute. I love this paper pack. Let's keep looking. Oh, look at those trees. That is so pretty. I love how these colors are all going to work together. You're kidding. Look at the hearts. See what I mean by I love when a paper pack is like this where I can totally use this all year long and I don't have to use it just for Christmas. That's what I love about these paper packs like this. Here's that Merry Christmas paper we saw in green earlier but done in red. Love that one. Look how cool this is. Again, this is another one of those pages that can be used any time of year, including this one. Even though this can be poinsettias and holly, it still doesn't necessarily have to be poinsettias and holly. I love versatile. Oh my goodness, I see this page already. I love versatile paper packs. I've already seen this page behind here. Look at this. That is so pretty. I love that so much. And again, with the purple, I'm liking this idea. I heard today that color, and I think the reason you're seeing it here is that purpley color is the Pantone color of the year. So they must have taken some notes from that. This is incredible. This reminds me of that hard candy that, if you've ever seen those videos where they make hard candy and they stack the colors on top to get the stripes and the canes, that's what that reminds me of. And then a great piece of chipboard to use for something. You never waste that. But that's that paper pack. I promise you that's what they're doing here, is using that, the Pantone color of the year. Look how beautiful this paper pack is. 8 by 8, very versatile. You can use it all year long. And that was your flip through of Merry Little Christmas. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.